I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by Coinmiles.io, the best place to earn Bitcoin rewards when you spend your filthy fiat online. If you're not using it, you are leaving sats on the table, shop online, or get gift cards for all your favorite vendors, including retail, travel, apparel, home supplies, groceries, and more. Hit the link below and earn 25,000 sats just for signing up. My reason for being bullish, and it's a pretty simple one, actually. I want to give a shout out to Mateo because this week, in the context of traveling around, when I'm not actually at a Bitcoin related event, I'm just somewhere in the world where I'm not typically at. The Orange Pill app has been kind of cool, an interesting way to get in touch with local Bitcoiners wherever I happen to be at. And so I've been playing around quite a bit, even more so than when I've been at conferences, because I've always, you're around Bitcoiners that and everything. And when I'm just out and about and I'm looking around and I'm traveling with my family, it's really cool. It's been honestly very interesting to just jump on and then see people locally and say, hey, I'm in Rome, or I'm in Amalfi, or I'm in Matera, and I'm going to be a whole bunch of other places, and just seeing, oh, there's some Bitcoiners here, and then being able to figure out let's get together and grab a beer or a coffee or something like that, and just meeting people on the fly. I think it's unique in that it's location based. And so you can find Bitcoiners close to you, as opposed to, Twitter. Everybody in Bitcoin is on Twitter, and it's very easy to converse, but like, that doesn't give you the, I'm here right now, who's nearby, can I go grab a beer with you? People might not see your tweet. Same thing with Nostr. Nostr is awesome for the different set of reasons, the censorship resistance aspect of it. But again, as of yet, there's no like location based layer to that. And so I'm excited about Orange Pill app just because you can just kind of be anywhere and say, I need that Bitcoin fix, and then find somebody in the area almost immediately and then be able to link up. I just love meeting new Bitcoiners. So yeah, super excited about that.